Dímelo mi gente, Marcucci here in another video, and today we're going to be talking about Aster, and Aster is the hottest token of the week. You can see it's up 1,500%, all the way up to $2.33 billion in market cap. Right now, currently number 48th in terms of market cap. It was a lot higher. I think it was like number 30th at one point, but yeah, it has had tremendous, success recently. Full daily valuation 11 billion, and I can tell you why that is. It is because CC is backing it. So this all started about like 4 or 5 days ago. CC tweeted this, and he said, "Well done, good start, keep building." And at that point, Aster was at 0.17. Right now is $1.40. So yeah, kudos up to them. But this is an interview I found with CC that he was talking about why Aster is so big and what the future potential of decentralized exchanges are. So let's see it right now.
Yeah, there's so much more to do. I think the current model where everything's fully transparent may or may not be the best model because you can see a big whale putting a $300 million short, but the guy who really want to do 300 million short don't want you to see it. Right, so the guys who are putting that there.
Yeah, there's a game. There's for sure a game. Right?
It's for his effect. Whereas real large traders like institutions, so that's why traditionally dog pools are way bigger than what we call order books. So I think there's a lot of room to grow, but I do think that future is decentralized. In the future, DEX is going to be bigger than CEX, and we want to invest heavily in those areas. Yeah, we want to invest in the things that will disrupt our business.
Are you already in the process of doing that?
Oh yeah, we invested in multiple DEX.
Yeah.
So yeah, really interesting take. He said that they want to invest in these DEXs that are going to disrupt centralized exchanges. So that's really amazing and really cool. And this person said see you above $1, and he was right. And this was 2 days ago. Anyways, I just want to talk about the holders, and I think a lot of people are having complaints about this. Like, oh my God, whoever opened this token obviously is whoever might be on Binance or CC or whoever it is. They control about 90% of the total supply. So this wallet contains 44%. This one 19. Then the treasury owns 13, 7, 5, and then 2. And then you have Gate.io, BitBuy, and Mexi, and Gate here. So yeah, this is as you may say, not decentralized coin whatsoever. But it doesn't really matter, because what really matters is the narrative, and that's unfortunately how crypto is at the moment. Anyways, I have 43,000 holders, which is pretty good. It's up 24% in the past 24 hours. So the website, I'm gonna be honest, the product as of right now is not really good. I've seen a lot of people try to use it. I try to use myself. I mean, it's okay, but as of right now, the product in itself, I wouldn't personally invest in it. Now, does that mean the token is gonna go up? It's gonna go down? I don't really know. I do know that DEXs are going to really revolutionize the world. So anyways, they say non-custodial trading built for whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro. So they have trading volume 525 billion. That's actually pretty impressive. 2 million. We're going to be going over the analytics a little bit later, but the website is okay. They have open interest of 259 million. TVL, or total value locked, is 588 million, and they have 101 symbols. So really important, they say invisible orders, visible advantages. Hidden orders let you place limit orders that stay fully hidden from the public order books. Size and direction are not shown. So that is, really interesting. And think about it as kind of the dark web. And, there's a lot more money in the dark web that really meets the eye. So this could really pop off. Anyways, it says also stocks mean crypto on chain, not Wall Street. So trade US stocks with up to 100x leverage, fully selling crypto, and no bridging required. So that's actually really impressive. They are doing a lot of great things. So they have cross-chain trading. So it says no bridging, no switching, just pick a chain and place a trade. So right now they have, I think it's BNB, ETH, Solana, and I forgot the other one. Arbitrum, I think it is. Unmatched liquidity, assess deep liquidity pooled across markets to support large confident trades, advanced tooling, and confidence in every trade. So here are their partners. I've never heard about these people other than PancakeSwap. But yeah, that's it for the website. Also, they have all these different earns. So you could earn with Aster BNB, Aster USDF, which is their stablecoin. I'm gonna be going over that in a little bit. They have their Bitcoin AS and their AS cake. So here are the APYs that you could get. I personally use the platform first. Always use the platform first. But these APYs do actually look pretty great. And you know, the BNB right now at its all-time high looks pretty juicy. Anyways, this is kind of what it looks like. This is the perps. They have perps, they have spots. Let me show you the spots, and then they have the leverage ones. So yeah, I mean, it looks fine. I'm not against how it looks. It looks pretty cool. And here we have the USDF. So USDF is a fully collateralized stablecoin issued by Aster with custodial services provided by Cefu. Backed by crypto assets and corresponding short perpetual positions, USDF maintains delta neutral positions to generate staked USDF yields. So here's the different ways that you could earn yields and what's the difference. They also have ASUSDF. Wow, that's really a mouthful. And then they have a Smart Mint USDF. So yeah, I mean, it looks like they're doing all right. And if you stake USDF to mint a USDF, you can get up to 15% APY. Obviously, do this at your own risk. They also have some trading limits, which obviously most of the people watching my videos, you're probably in tier 1. If you are above tier 2 or 3, thank you for watching the video. Most of the people are going to be here in tier 1, so you can max leverage 100x. The bigger positions, right, the 215 million, it's only a 1x leverage. And then they have like different maintenance margin rates and other kind of stuff. So this is our Twitter. They have 179,000 followers, which is okay. It's almost up to 200,000. And I just wanted to show the quick stats and how much they have, you know, grown. So in the past 24 hours, they have 36,000 new users. So that's pretty good. The TVL in the past 7 days has grown $89 million. The 7 days new users, 709,000. So yeah, and they're generating a lot of income, right? All income is 50 million. I don't know when they really started. I should have looked into it, but in the past 7 days, $3 million in income, which is pretty amazing, right? There's so much money to be made in crypto. Everyone should start decentralized exchange, or you know, try to start one of these, because there's actually a lot of money. In the past day, they made over $1 million. So yeah, honestly, pretty good numbers, pretty good metrics. Yeah, so they have Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and others. So yeah, overall, kudos to them, kudos to the team. Hopefully this kicks off. A lot of people are saying it's going to be like hype. I mean, hype, let me see. Hype right now is number 11, and their fully diluted valuation is 49 billion, market cap is 16 billion. So how much is that? So right now 2.3 billion, and fully diluted it's 11 billion. So I think they have a lot of catching up to do, but if someone can do it, it's definitely Binance and CZ. And if they're backing it, hopefully it doesn't turn out like PancakeSwap, which actually PancakeSwap is at $2.82. All time though, it had like this huge run up and then crashing back down, but it's still at $1 million in market cap, right? And they had like you see this huge run, and it went all the way up to like 6 billion. So I think there is more money to be made here than in PancakeSwap, but you know, it's yet to see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to use these platforms before you invest in them. These investments are super risky, especially a coin that literally just came out. There's a lot of money to be made, but there's a lot of money to be lost. So before you invest in this stuff, please use the platform first, see if you like it, see if you enjoy it, and then you can definitely put some money into it. I don't know. I trust Binance. I trust CZ. I don't like the platform as of yet. That doesn't mean that they can't do many upgrades or updates. So as of right now, I would invest, but this is something worth keeping an eye out. Probably don't listen to me, and it's just gonna shoot right up to like $2, $3, $4. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.